Hey guys, this is Bala here and welcome to another fresh episode of Bilbotech. Now we are having another exciting earphone with us. It's not only an earphone, it's a gadget for 500 rupees. Because this is a piece of eyes. This is like so good because this particular is from MI brand. This is like so good with a deep bass and lot of good vocals and very crisp mids and basses. And without any further time, let's get into the deep review of this particular earphone. And without any further time, let's get into the video and see the intro. This particular earphone is made up of aluminium and this is having a 3.5mm jack, and the 3.5mm jack is gold plated especially because this gold plating keeps more secure of your phone, and the audio transmission is like so good and the conductivity is so perfect. Due to these things, your transmission of audio from your phone to your earphone is so perfect, and due to this there'll be no lagging of voices or any musics to your earphone. In this particular MI earphone, they are having a curved type of one, like this C-like structure. Due to that, the wire won't be affected and there'll be no affection to the the wires in the below. So guys, that's it. And this water resistant also. It's not waterproof, this is a water resistant. Like water resistance in the sense it's like splashes, like little bit of drizzles. That's it. It's not a much intense one because the price is just $399. We can't expect much from it. Tada! So guys, we are having this MI basic earphones with mic on our hands now. So let's unbox it. And you can see there is no specifications, just innovation for everyone, balanced sound, aluminium sound chamber and lightweight. And that's it. There is nothing like specifications. Opening it, we have a we are having 3 earbuds with us. And let's move to the earphone itself. So you can see this made up of aluminium. Let's see the wire length. And I said you guys, this having a 3.5mm jack of bent one. So this having a good length. See the twice of this length which I hold now. So guys, as I said, this particular product is also having a giveaway. Yes, this is having a giveaway, and the rules are very simple. Follow Bilbotech and click the subscribe button and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon just near to it, so you'll be getting the instant notifications of our channel. But just features. Do take the screenshot of it and just attach in your mail, and before sending it to us, do share your name and do share your mobile number, because these things will help us to cross check your winner details to send your deliverables to you. And another thing, share this particular on WhatsApp, not only on WhatsApp groups, share to your WhatsApp contact. Do share the screenshots of it on the mail and send to it bilbotech2020@gmail.com. This particular earphone is so useful because the value is just $399, but it offers a lot of things because this is having a lot of deep bass in it. The bass gives a lot of good good surrounding to it, and the crisp and the mids are so perfectly balanced. Due to that, no imbalance, or due to that, no irregulation of noise happens in it. And this particular earphone, as I said, this is splash proof, that's water resistant. This is not waterproof, I say it again, this is water resistant, that is splash proof, that's it. So guys, $399, keeping the mind of the budget of $399, this perfect gold plated, water resistant, splash proof, and perfect bass and perfect mids and perfect mids and curves in it. And this having a curve type 3.5mm jack also, and aluminium build of this earphone makes it perfect for the $399 price. And this comes from the reputable brand of MI, that is Xiaomi. And if you want to buy it, the link is in the description box below. Do grab it and do subscribe our channel and do participate in the giveaway below, so you'll be getting the one. So this is yours, grab yours now itself. And this is Bala shining out. I'll see you in the next one.